Meet the Fennec fox, the desert's cutest survivor. Those enormous ears aren't just for show. They're its secret weapon. They can hear insects moving underground from a distance and radiate body heat to keep this tiny fox cool in the scorching Sahara sun. Their thick fur insulates them from the cold desert nights, and their hairy feet act like snowshoes on the burning sand. They're basically a perfectly designed desert survival kit, wrapped in an unbearably cute package. They're playful, social, and their ears are literally bigger than their own stomachs. Follow for more perfectly designed animals.